Hello dear students. This video is prepared to help the students of Standard 12 Commerce for the subjects of stats. In this video, I shared the solution of question paper of Unit Test 3rd of September month prepared by Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board. So students can check the answers as well as if they are facing any doubt in any question or sum, so they will get the solution through this video. If you have any doubt, you can send me your query in comment section also. Section A, MCQ. First, which method is useful to compare the long-term variation in the values of the variable? Correct option is C, fixed base method. Second MCQ, what is the range of the correlation coefficient R? The correct option is C, -1 less than equal to R less than equal to 1. Third MCQ, the regression line always passes through which point? The correct option is A, X bar, Y bar. Section B. Fourth question, what is base year? When the price of an item is compared with the price of the same item in some specific fixed year of the past, that specific year is called the base year. Fifth, define correlation. If there are simultaneous correlation changes in the values of the two variables due to the direct or indirect cause effect, then it is said that there is a correlation between two variables. Sixth question, the regression coefficient is not independent of which transformation? The regression coefficient is not independent from the change of scale. Section C, seventh question, chain based index number is given and it is given that convert into the fixed base index number. So we'll prepare 3 column year, index number of sale is given, and find out the fixed base index number by using the formula chain based index number of current year into fixed base index number of previous year upon 100. Eighth question, rank correlation. Singer A, B, C, D, E is given. Rank of X and rank of Y is given. Find out the difference column D, Rx minus Ry, and then find out the D square. And then use the formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon N square minus 1. Next question 9. From regression chapter, X bar, Y bar is given, S square X, S square Y, covariance is given. It is given that find out the regression line Y on X, Y cap is equal to A plus DX. We use the formula B, covariance XY upon S square X, and we'll put the values. We will get B, then A, put the value of B and A in the equation, Y cap is equal to A plus BX, and it is given that find out the estimated value, estimated market price in the share market when X means investment is 45 lakh. So we'll get the final answer, Y cap is equal to 54 lakh in a year. Then section D, question number 10 is from chapter number 1, index number. It is asked find out Lespier, Pache and Fisher index number. We'll prepare the table item A, B, C, D, E, 2014 quantity, 2015 quantity, 2014 price and 2015 price. And then we prepare 4 extra column, P1Q0, P0Q0, P1Q1 and P0Q1. Then we use the formula Lespier, IL, Pache's IP and Fisher's IL. Last question of the paper, question number 11 from correlation chapter. By using the formula of UV, we'll find out the value of R. One more question is given in option of question number 11, that is from chapter regression. Share this video with your friends also, so they can also get the benefit. Thank you.